So University Tun Hussein on Malaysia is actually a public university with good facilities provided, but there is a slight shortage of facilities, which is a shortage of street lights in some of the roads in UTHM. And we have identified that one of the common routes that is used by the students, by everyone in the UTHM, somewhere around Jalan Kemajuan, which is in front of Block G3 and near to the F2 building. Yeah. But sadly, the road is usually dark because the absence of the street light. So from that problem, we have come to the idea of implementing renewable energy that can be a power source to the street lights, so that the road is going to be enough source of light so that it can prevent accidents.
Is to design the prototype using SketchUp, then reconstruct the design using a reusable item. Then we will develop the prototype for a suitable generation in UTHM.
For the advantages and the advantages. The advantages are, the first one is the energy is based on renewable source. The second one is provide solution to power supply in remote area. Third, it's cost friendly than other renewable energy. Fourth one is it doesn't need dam or barricade. Its disadvantages is it's vulnerable to damage. It's also had a negative impact on the view. And the third one is power generated is not constant because it's depend on the weather.
So for the design and construction costing, we mainly use recycled item, as you can see here. So it only costs us RM4.20 for the all total. So for the implementation cost, we have 3 factors to be considered, which are the labor expenses and the expertise. Another one is the product expenses, and after doing some calculation and estimation of the total costing, it is around total 24K. So the reason why we choose hydropower as our main power for this project is because it is cheaper compared to solar power.
Power of hydropower study from the dam. Water from the dam lead to the turbine and changes from hydraulic energy to mechanical energy. Turbine is connected to generator by shaft, then convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy that transmit the electrical to the street lamp. Backup of power, we use the solar power. We use the photovoltaic panels to capture the sun rays, which trigger the electrons of the PV. When the PV panel has enough photon, we'll create the negative electron that attracted to the positive value, which will create the voltage differential. From voltage differential, we store the energy into the battery that will convert to SC using inverter that we use in the street lamp in Jalan Kemajuan.
In conclusion, the waterway that is going to be produced by the water gate is not going to be wasted, and even though it is very rare occasion where the waterway exists, but we believe that renewable energy is something that we have to appreciate, since it's not going to cause any pollution to the environment, and then it's a natural thing that we should appreciate.
Our project, so this is going to be the water gate, where the waterway is going to come from here. The water is going to flow from these 2 tunnels. When the water is flowing down, so this turbine is going to be, so this is the final prototype for our project. So this is going to be the water gate, where the waterway is going to come from here. The water is going to flow from these 2 tunnels. When the water is flowing down, so this turbine